It's interesting because we've got an insider's peek into the secrets of ChatGPT, and it's not from just anyone. It's straight from the minds behind OpenAI, CEO Sam Altman, and CTO Mira Murati. But before we unveil the mysteries, let's spark some curiosity. What questions do you have about the inner workings of ChatGPT? What surprises are you hoping to discover? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets with OpenAI's dynamic duo, and maybe, just maybe, your questions will be answered. With two important actors at the forefront of innovation, OpenAI, a pioneer in the field of artificial intelligence research, is led by ChatGPT and its CTO, Mira Murati. Large language model ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, had its debut in November 2022 and quickly gained popularity thanks to its capacity to produce writing of human caliber, translate between languages, and even engage in creative writing. However, the majority of its internal operations are still unknown, which demonstrates OpenAI's dedication to ethical AI development. The CTO of OpenAI, Mira Murati, is spearheading the technical effort. Her proficiency in natural language processing and machine learning directs the creation of AI systems, such as ChatGPT, emphasizing dependability and safety. Sam Altman, the inspirational CEO of OpenAI, who guides the company toward the appropriate application of AI since he believes it holds the solution to resolving humanity's biggest challenges. Renowned AI entrepreneur Sam Altman thinks the secret to extraordinary breakthroughs in humankind's state of affairs lies in artificial general intelligence. He draws attention to two very important elements: cheap and plentiful energy, and cheap and abundant intelligence. With its potential to transform many parts of our life, artificial intelligence is the ultimate instrument for boosting intelligence. Artificial general intelligence, sometimes known as strong AI, is a science fiction that would be a significant advancement in artificial intelligence, as opposed to existing narrow AI systems such as ChatGPT, which are excellent at particular tasks like picture recognition or language creation. AGI would be able to generalize its knowledge and abilities across multiple domains and carry out any intellectual work that a human could. Imagine a system that is able to write innovative prose, comprehend it, compose music, work out challenging arithmetic problems, and even have meaningful discussions about a variety of subjects. That is AGI's potential power. AGI wouldn't require specialized training for every new task. Unlike existing AI, similar to people, it is capable of learning, adapting, and applying its knowledge to a variety of disciplines. AGI would do more than just process data. Like human thought processes, it would draw connections, comprehend the underlying concepts, and reason logically. AGI wouldn't need ongoing data updates or human interaction. It might continuously increase its knowledge and capacities by actively learning and developing on its own. AGI has enormous potential advantages that might affect everything from healthcare and entertainment to scientific research and economic output. But there are also possible hazards and ethical issues to consider. Independent learning and reasoning provide issues with accountability, control, and possible abuse. Even if real AGI is still a ways off, advances in machine learning, deep learning, artificial neural networks, and other related fields are getting us closer every day. Ultimately, the decisions we make about the development and application of AGI will determine whether it is a force for good or something to be concerned about. Recall that AGI is still only a theory, and neither its timescale nor its final effects are known. As we handle this complicated and possibly revolutionary technology, responsible development and candid discussion are essential. Not your typical tech startup, OpenAI explores the frontiers of artificial intelligence with the audacious aim of making sure that artificial general intelligence serves the interests of all people. AI used in this technology is capable of mastering any intellectual task that a person can. Envision an AI that composes symphonies, works out challenging arithmetic problems, and engages in intelligent discourse on a variety of subjects. That's the potential power of artificial general intelligence, and OpenAI thinks it may unleash great good, addressing issues like disease eradication and climate change while increasing productivity and creativity. OpenAI, meanwhile, isn't simply daydreaming. They are constantly creating and releasing new AI technologies, such as the remarkable language model ChatGPT. They promote cooperation and openness by freely sharing research and code. Because of their dedication to responsible development, they put safety first. They are aware of the possible dangers associated with such potent technology, though. Control and possible misuse are two ethical issues that are always discussed. They think that while we traverse this intricate and revolutionary technology, public participation and open discourse are essential. So, developing state-of-the-art AI isn't the only goal of OpenAI. It's about creating a future in which properly built and applied AI will empower us, solve our issues, and stimulate innovation. It's an exciting journey, and OpenAI continues to be at the vanguard, pushing the envelope of what is feasible while closely considering the moral ramifications. It's a compelling tale that has the power to fundamentally alter the way we see the world. Imagine an artificial intelligence system that can simulate complicated situations, analyze enormous volumes of data, and find the best answers. This might hasten the resolution of international issues like pandemics, resource scarcity, and climate change. Imagine a more intelligent disaster response, more effective energy systems, and customized medical care made possible by AGI's profound comprehension and problem-solving skills. Put aside writer's block. AGI might operate in tandem with musicians, designers, and artists, serving as a brainstorming partner or perhaps taking the initiative to produce original and cutting-edge creations. Imagine revolutionary movies with incredibly lifelike simulations, AI-powered symphonies that defy conventions in music, or personalized poetry with profound emotional impact. AGI has the potential to automate repetitive jobs, such as data entry, customer support, and even software development, freeing up human labor and resources. Increased productivity, economic expansion, and a move toward more creative and satisfying jobs for people could result from this. Imagine teachers providing individualized education while AI takes over repetitive memorization drills, or doctors concentrating on sophisticated diagnosis and care while AI handles administrative responsibilities. With artificial intelligence, personalized healthcare, education, and entertainment catered to individual taste and learning styles might all become a reality. Also, imagine AI-powered diagnostics being used by doctors to create personalized treatment plans for each patient, AI tutors customizing their instructions to each student, or entertainment platforms making content recommendations based on a thorough understanding of your hobbies and personality. AGI will disrupt current industries and societal institutions, as it will with any significant technology shift. To control the effects and facilitate a smooth transition, this calls for careful planning, education, and assistance. We must think about how work environments will change, what new competencies will be required, and how to make sure that everyone gains from this technology revolution. AGI's enormous power raises ethical questions about bias, control, and possible abuse. To guarantee that AGI is produced and used responsibly, in line with human values, and advantageous to society as a whole, we need precise rules and protections. Open communication, public participation, and strong ethical frameworks that direct the development and application of AGI are all necessary for responsible development. To sum up, artificial general intelligence indicates an amazing future full of opportunities. It has the potential to be an effective instrument for resolving issues, spurring creativity, and improving human welfare. However, it's imperative to develop responsibly and give potential obstacles serious thought. All of humankind can profit from AGI future if we recognize its promise as well as its complexity. Not only is ChatGPT an amazing text-to-text generator, but it can also create beautiful poems and stories. It has a broader range of functions, serving as an information seeker, a creative writing assistant, and a language translator. Imagine using ChatGPT's features to have a smooth cross-language conversation, inspire creativity with scripts and musical compositions, or obtain current events to keep informed. Although its internal workings are yet unknown, OpenAI's robust GPT 3.5 language model, which makes use of a sophisticated neural network to comprehend linguistic nuances, serves as its basis. Furthermore, OpenAI promotes ethical growth, actively reduces bias, guarantees security, and harmonizes AI with human values. ChatGPT, despite being somewhat secretive, represents OpenAI's dedication to responsible AI development. It demonstrates the ability to close gaps in communication, encourage creative expression, and provide access to real-world knowledge, all without disclosing its technological secrets. ChatGPT's influence on language engagement and creative inquiry is still something to get excited about as OpenAI carries on with its responsible development path. Although ChatGPT's specifications are yet unknown, OpenAI actively releases research findings and source code, encouraging openness and cooperation. They acknowledge the enormous promise of AI, but they also take ethical issues into account, which is consistent with Altman's support for responsible growth in line with moral principles. This look at OpenAI's publicly accessible features uncovers an innovative business with moral values at its core. Even if ChatGPT's internal workings are still kept a secret, the big picture shows a bright future where responsibly created AI can help us overcome upcoming challenges. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected with our journey through the world of innovation. Please feel free to share your thoughts and comments below, and we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of technology and innovation.